How to fix Google connection if it is not working. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So to know about this, how you have to do connection, your Google. As so let's do it. Google connection Play Store. So here we go guys. So at first what you have to do, you have to just check for your internet connection so that your mobile data is off or on. Okay, so make sure that your not data should be on. Okay, so and after that what you have to do, just go into the settings, and after going in settings you have to go for app management, and after that you have to go for app list, and after that what you have to do, you can see this kinds of interface. And after seeing this, you have to do, here we can see this, you have to come and search for Google Play Store. Come here and click it here and come in the storage users, and you have to clear cache and clear data. Okay, after doing this both, what you have to do, come in the manage notifications, everything is right, and then come in the permissions, and make sure that it should be allowed in every in contact also, in everything in storage also it should be allowed. Okay, so after coming here, you can just click it for force stop. Okay, just click in this force stop and your Google Play Store will be solve every problems. Okay, so guys, this is how you have to do in your mobiles, and thanks for watching.